A very good morning to you, early. Hey, check out this nice swing we have. This is part of the cabin they upgraded us to last night. This is the night 6 video. Ah, there we go. We got a porch light. Yay! So, we rolled in here about 6:30 or so, and well, we already knew we had a cabin because they upgraded us because the winds were so bad. We were so glad for that. They gave us a real good deal too. So we took them up on the offer and took showers, ate dinner. Wind finally died down. I was able to get a campfire, and Evelyn was able to do her live and maybe some of her emails. And then we went to sleep. I actually went to sleep about 10:30. Evelyn didn't sleep quite as well. That's too bad, but did get some sleep because I snuck out of here at like 6 a.m. in the morning to go video trains, and came back and found her awake, and that's where we're going to leave the night 6 video off and start day 7. And well, we'll see you on the day video. Have a great day. Goodbye.